Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a main clause that are closely related. Generally, conditional sentences are often divided into different types. Zero conditional, or present real conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about things that are always true, like a scientific fact. Form. If plus presents simple, present simple. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If the sun sets, it gets dark. If I skip breakfast, I feel hungry before lunch. First, conditional, or present or future, real conditional. We use the first conditional when we talk about possibilities in the present or in the future. Form, if plus presents simple, we'll plus base verb. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we'll cancel the picnic. If she finishes work early, she will call me. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Second conditional, or present unreal conditional. The second conditional is used to talk about imaginary situations in the present or future. Form, if plus past simple, would plus base verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. If she spoke French, she would move to Paris. If I had a car, I would drive to the beach every weekend. Third conditional, or past unreal conditional. We use the third conditional when we talk about imagined situations in the past. Form, if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. For example, if I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. If he had studied harder, he would have passed the test. If we had left earlier, we would have caught the bus. Mixed conditional one, or present result of a past condition. We use the mixed conditional one for present result of a past condition. Form, if plus past perfect, would plus base verb present. For example, if he hadn't missed the flight, he would be here now. If I had taken that job offer, I would be working in New York today. If they had trained harder, they would be winning the match right now. Mixed conditional two, or past result of a present or continuing condition. We use the mixed conditional two for past result of a present or continuing condition. Form, if plus past simple, would have plus past participle. For example, if I were more confident, I would have spoken at the meeting. If she were better at time management, she would have finished her project. If they were richer, they would have bought the house last year.